Earlier on, a few months ago, together with Waziri Isaac, when we had buildings collapsing in Kiambu County as well as Kasarani, we went together and we had a meeting with the building inspectorate and the departments under the Ministry of Lands, and we instructed the building inspectorate to conduct a survey of unsafe buildings in Nairobi. We have received the report, and one of the actions we'll take in some of those buildings that cannot be brought back to standard, the ones that are irreparably, structurally in default, we will have to move people. We have mapped out the hotspots for Nairobi County and the disaster hotspots, ambapo we know we'll have a challenge during El Nino. We're going to publish that in the newspapers and in the media for the people of Nairobi to know the areas that need to be avoided. We will also publish the number to call when there is an emergency.